What's up, what's up? I'm Rebuilder Guy, and today I bring you the twins. Two identical Dodge Challenger SRT-8s with the 6.1 Hemis in them. I bought these at the same exact auction, from the same exact insurance company, with two completely different title types. One was a salvage flood, the other was a clean title engine damage. Both of these engines need to be replaced for sure, and I want to answer that long time question that rebuilders always had. Is it worth spending a little bit more money on a clean title and do the same amount of work as a salvage title and see if it makes more money? That's the question that I'm going to answer in this series. And this series is sponsored by the Ridge Wallet. Here I have a carbon fiber minimalist wallet that I carry in my front pocket. This thing is awesome. I keep all my cards in here. I don't have to worry about receipts and a bulging big old wallet anymore. This thing is great. Keeps my cash here with this cash clip or this strap. This thing is awesome. I love this thing. I'm so happy I'm done with my big fat old wallet. If you want to support this channel, link is going to be down below. Use coupon code REBUILD for 10% off. Also, if you're like me and it's coming up to that holiday season and you need gift ideas, well, here's one for you right there. Use coupon code REBUILD in the description down below. All right, let's check out this damage. Car number one here. Engine is toast. We have, let's see, we have the plugs pulled, the coil packs pulled, and this engine is 100% seized up and locked up. This one needs to get out, and another one needs to go in. Here on car number two, a little bit more movement in the crankshaft, but same issue, locked up. I think we have about a 10% chance to get this thing going once we pull it out, but either way, it needs to come out. Now let's look at water damage. Let's actually come over here on car number one. Let's go to the driver's side. Let's see if this thing is flooded in any possible way, because you know how them insurances like to say things that aren't true. Well, at least in my experience. We got some bulging here, but that's pretty standard for these cars. They look pretty good. I don't see any flood damage. Usually by these rails you could tell right away. Won't even have to waste your time. Here on the second car, number two, let's check for water damage. Nope. Looks pretty good to me. Looks pretty standard. Intake, floor mats. I don't see anything. Unless I'm blind. Okay. These are the cars. This is the project. Let me know which one you think is a salvage car. Number one or number two. Let's pull these engines. Engine number 1 is pulled and it is destroyed. That rod went straight through the block, and also I think the heads are bad as well. The pistons smacked up against these spark plugs, so heads are toast, block is toast. We'll see about the crank, but most likely also destroyed. Let's see if you can see the block damage. Let's see, starter is gone. Yeah, that rod, yeah, crank is destroyed for sure. I don't know if you could see that. It's pretty bad. Okay, let's start pulling the engine on car number 2. Second engine is out. The pistons went through the oil pan. Can't really show it to you because it's sitting on it right now. Hopefully these 2-cylinder heads are okay because we got a donor car in with blown heads because the guy was running NOS. I'm going to show you that here in a second. But we did pretty good. We saved the AC. So it looks pretty darn good here on car number 2. Still looking for that flood damage. Still can't find any. All right, let's go look at these donor cars and see what's in store for us next week. The first car that we gutted was this 2006 Magnum. We got the engine out. It looks pretty good so far. Has good compression numbers, but this thing is smoked pretty bad. And this is the second donor. It's a 2006 Chrysler 300 with those blown heads. The guy was running, I think, 75 shot of NOS through the intake. So that's a good indication that the heads are bad, not the block. So we're just gonna get some head bolts and some head gaskets and throw it in car number 2. So we'll be all right with that. This car here has no damage. The only damage was the damage to the cylinder heads. I may just find another donor, but for now we're gonna focus on the Challengers. This is the donor engine from the 2006 Magnum. Got damage to the water pump and the throttle body. We'll go ahead and replace those with the parts we have. If you need parts, I'm gonna link Turbo Import parts down below for SRT-8 parts. If you see something you may need, like an intake manifold, a exhaust manifold, or a transmission, let them know down below. We got it all here. All right, that's all, folks. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. I'll be back with the Salvage versus Clean title project, hopefully next week. Peace out.